Impala dash and double din install finished. Give it a little cleanup. Painted all the lower half. Ashtray and everything. He was missing this. Got one of those on there for him. Need a steering wheel on here next. Steering wheel and door panels. All right. Thanks for watching. See if we come back next time and have this straightened out. Almost all of them bust there. I always notice something on the video. Take this loose. Something behind there. Holding this panel out. Yeah. So I'll remove that next. And try to get your rear view mirror glued up there for you. Yeah, it's a good looking car. See you again one day. Peace. Merry Christmas.